HYTORC. It's a family-owned company with family values, but we are literally everywhere.
Life is good here. Life is good.
Between the people, between the product, it's an amazing company to work for.
Our tools are better and more advanced.
We've invested time and resources into continuing to improve. We stand behind the product as a company.
I worked with many tools before. The HYTORC tools are top quality.
I would never let anything go out of here that I wouldn't use myself.
So like I said, the extended family is always there. HYTORC supports on every level.
Job title is mechanical engineer technician, research and development.
Training manager for the electric guns.
Some technical and mechanical engineering manager.
Mechanical engineering lab lead.
Again, it's family working together to support one another the HYTORC way.